Hey, and welcome back to Level 6 Math. I'm Mr. C with our Saxon Math lesson 118. Today's a quick lesson. It's mostly a review, but it's doing something we haven't quite done before. So we're going to estimate area today. Now, way back in lesson 86, we used a grid to estimate the area of a circle, and what we did is we just counted the squares in the grid, the whole squares within the circle, and counted those up, and then we took the partial squares and we added those up. We marked those with dots. So we could just count those, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever, and we could estimate the area. Now today we're going to do that when it's not so clear cut, just different kinds of shapes. So with this 1 acre grid, we can do the same thing. We can count the whole squares, and then we can look at the partial squares. So if we do that, we can number them off here, or we can just count them, and we'll get 37 pretty close to full squares. And then looking at our partial squares, we can add those up, and we've got about 42. So that would be, how are they measuring this? 42 units. They didn't tell us, probably acres. And so we can do that. Yep, 42 acres. So we can estimate the surface of the lake. Now, we can also look at the place that isn't full. So if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we can take 10 by 6, 60, and then just subtract all these. So count how many less than 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, plus a few more partials, and that's going to get us there as well. So we can just subtract that and find the area by doing it by subtraction. So that's it. That's the whole lesson. Here's just one problem in the practice set. You can estimate the area of this. Again, just count up the partial squares and the whole squares. So again, bit of a review today. It's a nice, easy one. Have fun with your homework. Bye-bye.